everyone. Welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. We are all headed back to cargo handling on your Disney cruise ship. At the stop, you will find Marge's Barges, the location for parasailing, fly fishing, glass bottom boat, rigid hull snorkeling, troll fishing, bottom fishing, sandbar adventure, backcountry fishing, and adult snorkeling. If you did get a lot of sun today, be sure to keep lotion on your skin and keep drinking plenty of water. As a courtesy, if you have sand on your feet, please rinse them in the shower at the Ravel Plaza before boarding the ship. Please stay seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. We hope your trip to Disney's Castaway Cay has been magical. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of your cruise. And as Nikki says, we hope to see you real soon.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.